Welcome to the Common Wise, your destination for answers and facts that'll leave you saying, wow, I never knew that. Popcorn is a popular snack that is enjoyed by people all over the world. Its light, fluffy and crunchy texture makes it an ideal treat for movie nights, parties or just as a quick snack. But have you ever wondered why popcorn kernels pop when heated? The answer lies in the fascinating physics behind it. To understand why popcorn kernels pop, we first need to understand what popcorn kernels are made of. Popcorn is a type of corn that has a hard outer shell, also known as the hull, and a soft starchy center called the endosperm. Inside the endosperm are tiny droplets of water surrounded by proteins and starch molecules. When popcorn kernels are heated, the tiny droplets of water turn into steam, causing pressure to build up inside the kernel. As the pressure builds, it eventually reaches a point where it exceeds the hull's strength and causes it to burst open. This sudden release of pressure is what creates the characteristic popping sound. They are round and hard, which allows them to trap the steam inside as it heats up. When the pressure becomes too much, the hull breaks open and releases the steam, creating the fluffy popcorn we love to eat. But that's not all, there are other factors at play as well. The type of corn used for making popcorn also plays a role in how well it pops. There are two main types of corn, flint and dent. Flint corn has a harder hull and is used for making popcorn, while dent corn is softer and more commonly used for other purposes. The moisture content of the kernels also affects how well they pop. Too much or too little moisture can result in uneven popping or unpopped kernels. This is why proper storage and handling of popcorn kernels is important to ensure the best popping experience. Lastly, the temperature at which popcorn kernels are heated also plays a crucial role. The ideal temperature range for popping popcorn is between 347 and 365 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows for the right amount of heat to evenly distribute throughout the kernel, causing it to pop in a uniform manner. In addition to understanding the science behind why popcorn pops, there are also some fun physics concepts at play. For example, did you know that the sudden release of pressure from the kernel can propel it up to 3 feet in the air? This is due to a phenomenon known as the popcorning effect, where the hot steam shoots out and propels the popped kernel upwards. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.